YouTube, it's your boy Hollywood. What?
Hey YouTube, it's your boy Hollywood Warren, and this is the Hollywood Warren Show, Season 3, Episode number 3, Black People. So first I'm going to start out with my shout-outs. Give a shout-out to Tony M, my skank tie, IL, give it some cheeks. Hey, give a shout-out to Steph, Shane, Nick Peterson for his inspirational words, and all my Six Flags buddies, and yeah, crazy people. So, anything I say today, please do not be offended by at all. So, I'm going to start with black people stereotypes. Why do you white people always think black people like watermelon, fried chicken, and Kool-Aid? Why? I really don't care for Kool-Aid. I drink tea, and natural stuff, V8. Fried chicken is good, but dang, I don't want it every night. Let me tell you this story. So, I told my friend I was coming over her house. Of course, she was white. And I come over there, and her mom's like, you want some Kool-Aid? You want some red Kool-Aid? She's like, I made you some Kool-Aid with extra sugar, because, you know, your people like sugar. What you mean, our people like sugar? Our people like sugar? Nigga, please. Alright, so now I'm going to explain. I say nigga. Black people are niggas. Nigga. But I'm going to take it back to the term of where I come from with nigga. See, I used to get offended by the word nigga, but this is what I think of nigga. Nigga means ignorant black person. Not ignorant like meaning lack of knowledge, but rude. Just rude in general, just like being a nigga. Now, there's a difference. Nigger is what slave owners called slaves. They called them niggers. Come here, nigger boy. No, not nigger. I'm saying nigga. Black people are niggas. A-N-A-G-G-A-S. Niggas. Niggas. Every time you go to the movies, there always gotta be the niggas that gotta be loud. Always. Every time you go to the movies. Every time. I just be like, S-T-F-U. I'm trying to watch the movie, and they're sitting there cacking up, laughing, playing off, just ignorant. Just shut up. Everywhere you go, black people always want to fight somebody. I was at Six Flags Saturday, and this girl just wanted to push into any white person she could just because she wanted to fight. She just wanted to catch an attitude with someone, and she wanted them to fight her back. Just because, not even a reason. She was bumping into the person, not even them bumping into her. She was bumping into people, just trying to pick fights with anybody. Like, come on now. Black people always want to fight somebody for no reason. Always want to fight. Everywhere you go, they always want to fight somebody. Oh, you were talking to my girl. No, nobody cares. Nobody whatsoever. Last CP time. Why black people always late to everywhere you go? Always late. If it's a birthday, they late. Like any party you go to, it's always late. They say 8 o'clock. You might as well just write 10 o'clock on the invitation, because that's when everybody comes, at 10 o'clock. Black people can never be on time. Niggas is never on time. Niggas. And then, oh, and I hate when black people go to a party, when they're late, then them niggas want to pack plates and bounce. Like, no, you do not come over my house, eat my food, and then bounce. That's what black people do, niggas. This is what I'm talking about. Always want to go over somebody's house, eat their food up, and then bounce. Like, no, that's not cute. Even though I do that sometimes, but no, that's not cute. And like, y'all some niggas. Y'all just some niggas for that. And that's just all I want to say. So, this concludes my show. Make sure you add me on Twitter, Hollywood WB, Tumblr, HollywoodWarren.tumblr.com, blah, 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 blah. Make sure you subscribe, like, and tell all your people. Tell your mother, tell your brother, tell your hide your kids, hide your question, hide your husband, because they raping everybody around here.